Meet Sarah. She's 28, works a decent job, and earns enough to pay her bills. But every month she wonders, where did all my money go? She's not careless. She avoids big splurges and even brings lunch to work most days. Still, her savings account barely grows. Sound familiar? Here's the hidden truth. Saving money isn't about skipping your morning coffee or living a life of constant sacrifice. It's about something much deeper. Understanding your relationship with money and designing habits that actually stick. Most advice tells you what not to do, like don't spend on this or don't waste money on that. But what if saving isn't about cutting back? What if it's about focusing on what really matters? This video is not your typical savings guide. Forget the cliches about budgeting apps or eating noodles every day. Instead, we'll show you how to rewire your thinking, make saving enjoyable, and discover clever strategies that fit into your real life. Whether you're starting with $10 or $1,000, these methods will help you save in ways you've never tried before. Let's rewrite the story of saving money and make it work for you. Number 1. Reframe your mindset, the psychology of saving. When most people think about saving money, they feel one thing: guilt. You tell yourself you should save more, but every time you spend on something fun, you feel like you're failing. The truth? Saving isn't about guilt. It's about making choices that match your values. Here's the trick. Instead of thinking of saving as sacrifice, think of it as funding the life you truly want. What do you care about most? Maybe it's traveling, starting a business, or providing security for your family. When you align your spending with those values, saving becomes easier because you're cutting out things you don't really care about. For example, if travel is your priority, you might decide to cook at home instead of eating out. But it's not because you're cheap. It's because every dollar saved is another step toward that dream vacation. Psychologists call this mental accounting. The way we label money changes how we use it. If you label your savings as freedom or family goals, you'll find it easier to stay motivated. Here's a simple exercise. Write down your top 3 life goals. Now, ask yourself, is your spending helping you achieve them? If not, start small. Save $10 this week toward one of those goals. When you see progress, you'll realize saving isn't about deprivation. It's about designing a life you love. Number 2. Gamify your savings goals. Saving money doesn't have to be boring. What if you could turn it into a game? Something fun and exciting to look forward to. Gamifying your savings goals can make the process more enjoyable and help you stay motivated. Here's an idea. Try the Roundup Challenge. Every time you spend money, round up the amount to the nearest dollar and save the difference. For example, if you buy something for $4.30, round it up to $5 and save that extra 70 cents. You'll be surprised how fast those small amounts add up. Another fun option is no-spend bingo. Create a bingo card with challenges like cook all meals at home for 3 days or spend nothing on entertainment for a week. Each time you complete a challenge, cross off a square. Once you finish a row, reward yourself. Just make it something free or low cost, like a movie night at home. You can also compete with friends or family. Set a group goal, like saving $500 in a month. Whoever saves the most wins a simple prize, like homemade cookies or bragging rights. Apps like Capital and Digit can help automate these savings games, making it even easier to track your progress. The key is to make saving fun and feel less like a chore. When you turn it into a game, you'll stay motivated and even enjoy the process of building your financial future. Why not start your first savings game today? Number 3. Hack your environment to save without thinking. What if saving money didn't require willpower? Imagine a system where you save automatically, without even trying. By hacking your environment, you can make saving effortless. Start by automating your savings. Set up a system where a portion of your paycheck goes straight into a savings account before you even see it. Most banks and apps let you schedule automatic transfers. It's like paying yourself first. Your savings grow without you lifting a finger. Another trick is hiding your savings. Open a separate account you rarely check. Out of sight, out of mind. Seeing less money in your main account reduces the temptation to spend. You can also use visual cues to remind yourself of your goals. For example, create a savings jar labeled with something you're working toward, like vacation fund or dream home. Every time you see it, you'll be reminded of what you're saving for. Even adding a sticky note on your wallet with a motivational message can help. Here's a creative idea. Use a second wallet. Withdraw a set amount of cash for the week and only spend from that wallet. Leave your debit or credit cards at home. This method limits impulse purchases while keeping you aware of your spending. Small changes to your environment can make a big difference. By setting up systems and creating reminders, you can save money without overthinking it. Why struggle when you can design a world where saving happens naturally? Start hacking your environment today. Number 4. The hidden power of microsavings. Saving money doesn't have to be big or dramatic. Sometimes, the smallest habits can have the biggest impact over time. This is the magic of microsavings, saving tiny amounts consistently. Imagine this. You save just $1 a day. It might not seem like much, but that's $365 by the end of the year. If you put that money into an account earning interest or invest it, it can grow even more over time. Saving small amounts is like planting seeds. They grow into something bigger. One simple microsaving trick is the windfall rule. Whenever you get unexpected money, like a bonus, refund, or gift, save at least 50% of it. You weren't expecting that money anyway, so you won't miss it. Another idea is the $5 rule. Every time you get a $5 bill, put it aside. Over a few months, you'll be surprised at how much you've saved without even noticing. Microsavings are powerful because they work for everyone, no matter your income. They're small enough not to feel overwhelming but add up quickly. The best part? They help build the habit of saving, which is even more valuable than the money itself. Start small today and watch how those little efforts grow over time. Number 5. Social accountability as a savings tool. Saving money doesn't have to be a lonely journey. In fact, sharing your goals with others can make a huge difference. When you involve friends, family, or even online groups, you're more likely to stick to your savings plan. This is called social accountability. Here's how it works. When you tell someone about your goal, you feel responsible for following through. For example, if you announce to your friends that you're saving $1,000 in 6 months, you'll want to stay on track so you don't let them or yourself down. One fun way to use social accountability is to start a savings club. Gather a few friends or family members and set a group goal. Everyone agrees to save a certain amount each month, and you can even make it competitive. Celebrate milestones together or reward the person who saves the most with something simple, like a homemade gift. Social media can also help. Share your progress online or join the money saving group. Seeing others work towards similar goals can inspire and motivate you. The key is support. When others cheer you on and hold you accountable, saving feels less like a chore and more like a team effort. Why not invite someone to join you in your savings journey today? You might even inspire them to start saving, too. Number 6. Make your money work while you save. Saving money doesn't mean your cash has to sit idle. Imagine if your savings could grow while you're still adding to it. By using smart tools and strategies, you can make your money work for you. Start with a high-yield savings account. These accounts pay higher interest rates than regular savings accounts, so your money earns more over time. For example, if you save $500 and earn 3% interest, that's $15 added to your balance in a year, just for letting your money sit there. Another option is certificates of deposit (CDs). These accounts lock up your money for a set period, like 6 months or a year, and pay even higher interest. They're great if you don't need immediate access to your funds. If you want to dip your toes into investing, try micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash. These apps round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Over time, those small amounts can grow into something significant. Even small steps, like earning cash back through apps or rewards programs, can add value to your savings. The key is to use every dollar wisely. When your money is working for you, you reach your goals faster, and it feels great to see your savings grow on their own. Start with what you have today and watch it multiply over time. Saving money isn't just about cutting back. It's about creating a life you love and designing habits that work for you. By shifting your mindset, turning saving into a game, hacking your environment, and even making your money grow, you can build a strong financial future without feeling overwhelmed. Think about the tips you've learned today. Which one speaks to you the most? Maybe it's starting a fun savings game, automating your savings, or focusing on microsavings. The beauty of saving is that it's personal. There's no one-size-fits-all rule. You get to choose what works best for your goals and lifestyle. Take a moment to imagine where you could be in a year if you start saving today. Picture a growing savings account, a vacation fund, or even the first step toward buying your dream home. It all starts with small, simple actions that you build over time. The most important thing is to start. Pick one strategy and try it this week. Whether it's saving $1 a day, setting up an automatic transfer, or challenging friends to a savings game, every little step moves you closer to your goals. Your financial future is in your hands. Start building it today. You've got this. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.